Friends, the future isn't coming, it's here. Today, July 8th, 2025, marks a turning point. For years, AI assistants waited for our commands. Siri, Alexa, ChatGPT. They were digital butlers, nothing more. But that era is over. Now, AI takes initiative. This is the dawn of the autonomous AI revolution, and it's about to change everything. We're moving from do this to what should we do next. Our tools are becoming teammates. Imagine an assistant that joins your meetings, understands the context, and starts working on action items before you even ask. This is real, and a company called Proactor is leading the charge with the world's first true AI teammate. The shift is monumental. AI is now a cognitive partner, not just a calculator. It can manage projects, coordinate teams, and suggest creative solutions before you even articulate the problem. The workforce is being redefined, and Proactor is at the center. For creatives, it means more time for art. For founders, it's like having a tireless chief of staff. This isn't just about speed. It's about unlocking new levels of productivity and innovation. The passive AI of yesterday is history. Welcome to the proactive revolution. It's here, and it's ready to get to work. Let's see what this new era looks like. What makes Proactor different? It's not an intern. It's a senior executive for your team. No more micromanaging. Proactor acts on its own, guided by your team's goals. Invited to meetings, it listens, understands, and absorbs context. It knows who's responsible for what, tracks deadlines, and comprehends the project's objectives. After the meeting, it gets to work, drafting follow-up emails, updating project management tools, assigning tasks, and resolving scheduling conflicts. Proactor is the team's central nervous system, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. It's not just about managing tasks, it's about freeing your mind from the work about work. Proactor offloads the mental clutter, letting you focus on strategy, creativity, and relationships. It's the ultimate accountability partner. This is cognitive offloading at its best. The promise: elevate your team by being the most reliable, proactive, and intelligent teammate you've ever had. With Proactor, you do the meaningful work. AI handles the rest. The future of teamwork has arrived. Early results from Proactor's enterprise pilots are stunning. Efficiency is up, admin work is down, and teams are more creative. Proponents call it a golden age. AI handles logistics, humans focus on innovation. The argument: AI doesn't replace us, it elevates us. But critics warn of job loss. Project managers, assistants, and coordinators could be at risk. The same efficiency that boosts business could threaten livelihoods. The big question: is this human augmentation or human replacement? Proactor's creators promise symbiosis, but economic incentives may push companies to automate more. Are we automating tasks, or automating decision-making itself? The debate is no longer just about productivity. It's about the future of work. As AI takes on more, what happens to the people whose jobs are being redefined? The line between tool and replacement is blurring. The conversation is just beginning. The AI revolution is shaking up Silicon Valley, sparking a fierce talent war. Top AI engineers are turning down massive offers from tech giants like Meta to stay at mission-driven places like OpenAI. It's not just about money anymore. It's about purpose, culture, and the speed of innovation. At OpenAI, engineers feel they're shaping the future, working on AGI in a fast, agile environment. The culture values ideas over hierarchy, and the impact is immediate. Meanwhile, Meta offers resources but is seen as slower, more bureaucratic, and less nimble. For many, the thrill of building the future outweighs a bigger paycheck. This shift signals that mission and culture now rival compensation in attracting top talent. Companies with a compelling vision and fast-paced environment have the edge. The lesson to win the AI race: offer more than money, offer meaning. The talent war is about values, not just salaries. The future belongs to those who inspire. While Silicon Valley fights for talent, China is leading a different AI revolution: AI livestream clones. Imagine influencers who never sleep, broadcasting 24/7 in multiple languages. This is now reality. Chinese tech firms are creating hyper-realistic digital clones of real influencers, selling products with astonishing efficiency. Some AI clones outsell their human originals, generating millions in sales in days. These avatars answer thousands of questions at once, tailor pitches, and never tire. For businesses, it's a dream: scalable, tireless, and cost-effective. But what about the human live streamers now competing with perfect AI? The line between real and artificial is blurring. Consumers may not know if they're interacting with a person or a clone. This raises ethical questions about deception, digital identity, and manipulation. AI clones could soon dominate not just e-commerce, but entertainment, education, and companionship. China's experiment is a glimpse into a future where digital and real worlds merge. The implications for jobs and authenticity are profound. Are we ready for this new reality? AI isn't just changing work, it's transforming creative media. In Shanghai, Minimax's Hailuo 02 text-to-video model is a game changer. It generates stunning high-def video up to 2 minutes long from a single prompt. Hailuo 02 understands physics, lighting, and cinematic style, outpacing competitors. It creates complex scenes with multiple characters, maintaining visual consistency and mood. This isn't just AI mimicking video, it's AI mastering cinematography. Now, indie filmmakers and creators can produce studio-quality visuals from their laptops. Write a prompt, get a professional-grade video in minutes. This democratizes visual storytelling, breaking down barriers of budget and scale. From Proactor to Hailuo 02, AI is evolving from data processor to creative partner. We are building artificial minds with specialized skills, integrating into every facet of life. The creative revolution is here. Anyone with an idea can now be a filmmaker. We stand at a crossroads. The autonomous age has arrived. Proactor, China's AI clones, and Minimax's creative AI are just the beginning. AI is evolving from passive assistant to proactive partner, sometimes even creator. The promise: unimaginable productivity, creativity, and human elevation. Imagine AI curing diseases, optimizing energy, and empowering artists. Proponents see a future where AI handles the mundane, freeing us for innovation and connection. But the risks are real. Mass job displacement, economic inequality, and ethical dilemmas. If AI can outperform humans in key roles, what happens to those jobs? How do we ensure fairness, prevent bias, and protect digital identities? The technology is neutral. Its impact depends on our choices. Will we pursue progress blindly or guide it with wisdom and responsibility? This debate belongs in every home, school, and government. The autonomous age is here. Is it a promise or a peril? Let's talk. Share your thoughts below.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.